I can't believe we got 4 laps in.
Well done,
unbelievable.
Mate. Well done.
Chuffed a bit, absolutely chuffed a bit. Because I think I'm happier. I look gobsmacked, don't I? I think I'm happier now than I was when I won on the 5-1. We've had literally a month and a bit ago, that bike was sitting in my boss's showroom pub, and he decided we're going to bring it here. So it's been absolutely mental, and we've just done 4 laps of the TT on it. I can't, like, there's people who've been getting bikes ready for years, and we've literally got it here. So yeah, credit to the whole boys peaking, and hopefully we can bring it back again, because the amount of people waving and stuff, they're just so happy to see the bike, and the noise, it sounds beautiful. They're sure as hell not waving at me, so they're definitely waving at the bike. But yeah, chuffed a bit.
Bike ran fine the whole ride?
Yeah, a little vibration and normal things, but yeah, for what it is and what it's done, it's ran absolutely mega. Watch that wasp.
What about, you had a new clutch in here?
Yeah, they just put a new clutch in the other day and stuff. That was what the problem was in practice, one of the friction plates, or well, a few of the friction plates and stuff, but luckily Graham and Neil, my mechanics now, worked on these bikes when they were factory bikes. So Graham worked at Honda and Neil worked for V&M. So yeah, it's crazy that they're still alive, first off, but the fact that I've even got them here with me is even better. So yeah, I think without their knowledge, then.
Cool. And were you riding on your own, or did you have a little bike?
No, literally cruising around on my own. 2 guys come past me. I think it was Nathan Harrison and somebody else. But yeah, they just carried on. I was just absolutely loving riding the motorbike around in the weather. That bike, just amazing.
Well, that's it, mate.
Thank you. Yeah, classic done. Yeah, I was a little bit sad coming back, to be fair. I actually thought about that. I thought, oh, fuck, I've a whole other, beep. I have a whole other year to wait to get back again. So, no, absolutely loved the bits.
Cool, mate. Thanks for your input.